What is up, guys? And welcome back to the channel. Get ready to have your mind blown. For decades, the Toyota Corolla has been the definition of reliable, sensible, A to B transportation. It's the car your grandma drives, the car you learn to drive in. It's predictable. Well, throw everything you thought you knew about the Corolla out the window. Today, we have an exclusive first look at what could be the radical, game-changing 2026 Toyota Corolla. And trust me, you are not ready for this. All right, let's just take a moment and soak this in. Look at this front end. Toyota is not playing around anymore. The design is sharp, it's aggressive. You've got these slim, angry-looking headlights with a slick LED signature that flows right into a much wider, more dominant grille. This looks like it took some serious inspiration from the new Prius and Crown, but dialed the aggression up to 11. That chrome accent outlining the grille? That's a premium touch we're not used to seeing on a Corolla. This doesn't scream economy sedan, this screams, I'm here to make a statement. But okay, if you thought the front was a departure, feast your eyes on the rear. Whoa, just whoa. This is where things get really wild. We have a full-width LED light bar that is just stunning, a sculpted rear deck lid spoiler, but look down. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? That is a super aggressive rear diffuser and quad exhaust tips. On a Corolla, this has to be a teaser for a new GR Corolla sedan. The hatchback is a legend, but a sedan with this kind of aggressive styling? It would be an instant category killer. Subaru WRX, Hyundai Elantra N, you've been put on notice. And the revolution continues on the inside. This is not your typical Corolla interior. This looks like it was plucked straight out of a Lexus. You've got these rich, cognac-colored leather seats, a massive panoramic sunroof letting all that light in, and what looks like a new, larger floating infotainment screen. The design is clean, modern, and incredibly upscale. If Toyota can bring this level of premium feel to the compact sedan class, it's a total game changer. This is an interior you'd actually want to spend hours in, whether you're stuck in traffic or on a long road trip. All right, so it looks incredible, but what's under the hood? And what's it gonna cost? Now, Toyota hasn't released official specs, but based on these looks, we can make some educated guesses. For the standard models, expect to see an evolution of Toyota's fantastic 5th generation hybrid system. Probably a 2.0-liter hybrid putting out around 200 horsepower while getting insane gas mileage, maybe over 50 mpg. But for this beast, the one with the quad exhausts, it has to be getting a version of the 1.6-liter 3-cylinder turbo from the GR Corolla hatchback. We're talking 300 horsepower, all-wheel drive, and a manual transmission option. Please, Toyota, give us a manual. Now for the price, with all this new tech and style, expect a slight bump. We predict the 2026 Corolla will start around $24,000 USD for the base hybrid models. For the top-tier luxury-focused trim with that beautiful interior, you might be looking at closer to $32,000 USD. And the GR sedan, if it comes to market, expected to be priced competitively with the WRX, likely starting around $35,000 to $38,000 USD. So, there you have it, a potential glimpse into the future of the Toyota Corolla. It's bold, it's sporty, and it's premium. Toyota is clearly swinging for the fences, transforming their most iconic nameplate from a sensible choice into an object of desire. But what do you guys think? Is this new design a home run? Are you excited for a potential GR Corolla sedan? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. As always, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.